Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Jonah August, one half of The August, and today I'm going to be talking about what's in my camera bag in 2022. Now I've been making a conscious effort at refining my gear collection down to only what I use on a regular basis, and it's been a little bit of a struggle. Today will just be an overview of what's in my main video camera bag, but in the future I'm going to be going over my gear more extensively and talking about what gear I use for different types of shoots. So if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe and keep an eye out for those future videos. Now before we talk about what's in my camera bag, it's super important that we talk about the actual camera bag that I'm using, and this is probably the most versatile camera bag that I've ever used. What I have here is the Vanguard VEO Select 59T. Now quick disclaimer, our friends over at Amplis have given me this bag to review. They're Canada's leading photographic supplier, but nor them or Vanguard will be seeing this video before you, so I'm giving you my honest opinion about this bag. And now after using it for a little while, it's become one of the main camera bags that I recommend. So let's check it out. This bag has a three-way function where you can use it as a rolling case, a backpack, or you can carry it via the side handle. The side strap and holder is perfect for attaching a tripod or a monopod. This front flap can hold up to a 17-inch laptop, so I can conveniently store my 16-inch M1 MacBook Pro. Best of all, this bag is carry-on size, which is perfect for traveling. I can keep my gear safe storing it in the above compartment. Now let's jump into the goods inside. For extra protection, this bag has a lock included. Now check out all this room. I can't believe how much I can fit in here. Talking about my cameras first, here's the Sony a7S III, an absolute beast. I use this mainly as my secondary camera for alternative angles, as a gimbal cam, and for YouTube. This is the Sony ZV-1. I love this little guy. Perfect for traveling, it's the best vlogging camera you can get in my opinion. The third camera I use is the FX3. It's my main camera that I use for all handheld work. I'm currently using it to film this video. My main lenses are the Sony 24 to 105mm and the Tamron 35 to 150, which I'm using to film this video. For my type of work, I really prefer using zoom lenses, and these two lenses are by far my preferred choices. Let's talk about my gimbal. I'm still shocked that I can fit it in this bag. What I have is the DJI RSC2. It can fold in half like so it's super portable. I've never been much of a gimbal guy until recently, but it's growing on me big time. Now, you've got to have a monitor for filmmaking, and for the past year and a half, I've been using the Atomos Shinobi. It's a super great, inexpensive on-camera monitor. Most people may not agree with me on this, but I think that drones are way overused in videos. I find that they can take away from the storytelling aspect of filmmaking when they're overused, but I still think they're important to have and serve a great purpose. So I decided to get the DJI Mini 2 as it's super portable for traveling and can film 4K video. I have these Skyri ND filters for my drone. For lighting, I always have my Core SWX torch light. It's super small but extremely powerful. As you guys know, audio is one of the most important aspects of creating engaging films. Here I have my Rode VideoMic Pro and two Tascam DR10Ls. Having both the black and white is great depending on what the subject is wearing. My favorite variable ND filters are these from Freewell. I've been using their products for a while and I've really enjoyed them. These are the mist filters I use. I chose these ones because they are magnetic, so I don't have to faff around with screwing them on. To keep my gear protected, this VEO Select camera bag comes with a rain cover for the outside. Now as you've seen, this bag holds my gear with ease. Check out these compartments for storing all the small miscellaneous items. First, I love how it has these icons to keep organized. On the left, I store my available memory cards, and on the right, my full ones. In the rest of these compartments, I keep batteries, Rycot stickies, chargers, and other cords. Well, there it is, guys, a quick overview of what's in my camera bag in 2022. This bag is absolutely sick. I love how convenient it is for traveling, for quick portability between having it as a rolling bag to a backpack. It's a pretty sick feature for sure. If you want to learn more about this bag, or if you want to check out any of the gear that I've mentioned in this video, check out the description below. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.